Hi guys, welcome to Lori's Crochet Corner 2. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I am going to do a tutorial on a shell stitch today. This is for you, Bree. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started right away. I have went and chained 25 just so I can show you guys how to do this. If you'd like to make a baby blanket, I would recommend you chain 109 stitches. I'm using a size H crochet hook. You can use an H or an I. I prefer the H. So I have chained 25 just so I can do a little swatch for you and show you what to do. So the first thing that you're going to do is skip the first 4 stitches. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into the next stitch and you're going to do a double crochet. So you have 3 loops on your hook, pull your yarn through 2, pull your yarn through 2, and yarn around your hook. Okay, into the same stitch, do another double crochet through 2, through 2. So there's your 2 double crochet. Then you're going to skip 2 stitches and you're going to do a single crochet in the next stitch. You'll skip 2 more stitches and you'll do 5 double crochet in the next stitch. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's the shell. And this is actually considered your first shell right here. Okay, and then you're going to skip 2 more stitches. You're going to do a single crochet, skip 2 more stitches, and do 5 double crochet again. If anybody has any problems doing a double crochet, I do have a tutorial up showing you how. You can go to that tutorial. I have the beginning stitches tutorials. I believe there's 3 or 4 of them up. Okay, and there's 5 for that one. And see, there's your shells coming along. Skip 2 more. Do a single crochet, skip 2, do a double crochet. Actually, you're going to do 5 double crochets. So there's 2. Oops. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, then you're going to skip your 2, go into the last stitch, do a single crochet. You're going to chain 3, turn your row. Now in the same stitch, you're going to do 2 double crochet. That's in your turning stitch. Okay, and then you're going to count up 1, 2, 3 in the top of your shell, and you're going to do a single crochet. Then you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and you're going to do 5 double crochet. Whoop. Boy, I'm butterfingers today. There's 3, 4, and there's 5. Okay, so then you'll skip 2 more and go into the top of the next shell, single crochet, skip 2 more stitches, go into the 3rd, and do 5 more double crochet. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, go in the top of that third one there. Do a single crochet. Skip 2. Go into the third one. Do 1. 5 double crochet, guys. 2. Get me some more yarn here. 3, 4, and 5. And there we go. There are your shell stitches. How lovely. This will make a beautiful blanket, guys. I'm just using this color so that it'll be easy for you to see. You can use any color. Variegated yarns are really pretty for baby blankets. Now you skip the next 2. You go into the last one and you single crochet. And then once again, you will chain 3, turn, do 2 double crochet in the first stitch, your turning chain, and start again. And you will do a single crochet into your top of your shell and so on. And I'll do a couple more. So 1, 2, 3, there's our chain 3. Turn your work. You're going to do 2 double crochet in that first stitch. I didn't have enough yarn out. So there's 1, and there's your second. Okay, so then you're going to go 1, 2, 3. You're going to go in that third one, and you're going to single crochet. And then you're going to 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to do 5 double crochet. 2, 3. Need more yarn. That's the only problem about this when you don't get your yarn out the other way. 4. Okay, 1 more. There's 5. So you're going to skip through 2 again and go into that third one, and you're going to single crochet, skip 2 again, go into that third one and do your doubles, which are 5 double crochet. Oh my goodness, more yarn. Sorry about that, guys. Let's see how nice that's coming out. So then you just skip your 1, 2, go into the third one, that's the top of your shell, single crochet, 1, 2, go down in here and do your 5 double crochet. There's 3, 4, and 5. Then single crochet in your last stitch, and then you'll chain 3 and turn and start again. So there it is, your shell stitch, guys. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave me a message in the comments about it. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. You all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you the next time. Bye now.